Breaking news. Welcome to US Licks. My name is Emma. Greenlight Law. How will this all play out? In it says former federal lawyer Andrew Cherkasky, Attorney General Bondi wants to put an end to rogue prosecutors in southern New York. This includes U.S. attorneys and liberal prosecutors who remain from the previous administration and still want to pursue politically motivated cases. She is also taking action against Letitia James and New York lawmakers who are trying to block immigration enforcement at the state level, which violates the Supremacy Clause, federal supremacy. This is a critical issue because the U.S. needs to strictly enforce immigration laws. But in New York, certain laws and prosecutors are actively obstructing the federal government's efforts. Governor Kathy Hochul responded to the lawsuit on Wednesday, stating, "Our laws allow federal immigration officials to access the DMV database with a judicial warrant. This is a common sense approach that most New Yorkers support, but there's no way I'm letting federal agents or Elon Musk's shadowy organization get unfettered access to the personal data of New Yorkers in the DMV system. We expect Pam Bondi's worthless, publicity-driven lawsuit to fail like all the others." Let me be clear, New York is not backing down. Courts have to some extent allowed policies of sanctuary cities, but New York's current laws are different, especially when the immigration crisis has worsened nationwide. Governor Hochul is attacking Elon Musk's organization, even though it was originally established during the Obama administration and later restructured under Trump. Attorney General Bondi is simply ensuring that the federal government and its law enforcement agencies can operate without being undermined by state-level interference, which aligns with the U.S. Constitution. Welcome to the new lawsuit against the Trump administration. Now, Denver Public Schools has filed a lawsuit against the Trump administration alleging that Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE, attempted to raid schools. Denver Public Schools Superintendent's statement. If the goal was to create fear in the community, then they have succeeded. People are terrified. We are told that these criminals, gang members, and dangerous individuals are supposedly sitting cross-legged on a classroom carpet. That's unacceptable. This fear exists only because some states and cities refuse to comply with federal laws. Courts have previously ruled that states can choose not to assist federal immigration enforcement, but actively obstructing law enforcement is illegal. This case is important because if states physically prevent federal officers from entering schools or government buildings, it would be a direct violation of federal law. The courts are likely to rule in favor of the federal government. This is a major legal battle, and its outcome will become clearer in the coming days era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started.